Hey there, thinking about retiring early? Imagine waking up every day without an alarm clock, sipping coffee on the beach, or pursuing your passion projects full time. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible, and today I'm going to share the secrets to make it happen. First off, let's talk about the most crucial step: financial independence. You need to save and invest smartly. Start by cutting unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that daily $5 latte? Probably not. Instead, put that money into a high-interest savings account or invest it in index funds. Over time, these small changes compound into significant savings. Next, diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on your 9-to-5 job. Think about side hustles or passive income opportunities: real estate, stocks, bonds, or even starting an online business. The more income streams you have, the quicker you'll hit your financial goals. Now, let's talk about another game changer: tax-advantaged accounts. Max out your 401k or IRA contributions. Not only do these accounts offer tax benefits, but they also help your retirement savings grow faster. It's also crucial to live below your means. This doesn't mean living a miserable life. It means making smart choices. Buy used cars instead of new ones. Shop sales. And remember, it's okay to treat yourself occasionally, just don't go overboard. I can't stress enough the importance of having a solid plan. Set clear, achievable goals. Break them down into smaller milestones, and track your progress regularly. This keeps you motivated and on the right path. But hey, it's not all about money. Your health is equally important. Exercise regularly, eat well, and get enough sleep. After all, what's the point of retiring early if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it? And finally, let's get inspired by real-life success stories. Meet Jane. She retired at 40 by following these principles. She cut down on unnecessary expenses, invested wisely, and now spends her days traveling the world. Or take John, who diversified his income streams and now enjoys financial freedom while running a successful online business. Remember, retiring early isn't just for the ultra-rich. With dedication, smart planning, and a bit of sacrifice, you too can achieve it. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to early retirement today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's make early retirement a reality for everyone. See you next time.